So, hi dear Scorpio, a very good evening to you guys. This is 7 days, 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 30th of December till the 5th of January. You can take it as messages, guidance, or warnings, or challenges or obstacles on your path on in this particular week. Want to be a reader like me? You can start your journey by purchasing my course. Link is in description. Want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono? You can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, link is in the description box for the same. And want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings? You can check out the description box and you can book your slots accordingly. Everything is given in the description box with the details. And for any queries, you can mail us on the modernsannyasini@gmail.com. So let's start, Scorpio. Let's see what's coming forward towards you for this particular week. According to Osho and Tarot, let's see. 30th, we have the ordinariness. So, in order to enjoy life to the fullest, you don't have to go on adventure, or you don't have to go like so away from your home, or it's like you can enjoy ordinary things as well and make them extraordinary. You can fill them with joy. By how? You can practice mindfulness. So basically, let's say you are walking on green grass, bare feet, foot feet, whatever. Just try to feel the energy of the grass, the warmth of the grass, the wetness of the grass, whatever you call it. Enjoy the walk, right? Basically, that's the message here. So you can enjoy the ordinariness of life as well. It's not all about going out and finding something extraordinary to have fun. Now, on the 31st of December, control. You will be in this energy of trying to control each and everything in your life, and trying to be in control of your life, trying to be in charge of your life. But trust me, even if you are the best version of yourself, you can't control each and everything in your life. It's going to take a lot of effort and energy, and you're going to get nothing. Okay, you need to surrender, you need to let go of the control, and everything will fall into place the way it should, not the way we want it. Okay, so we have 1st of January, ripeness. So something is going to come to full fruition. It's like you working on something from quite a long time. Now it's time for you to bear the fruits of your hard work and just enjoy the success, enjoy the success to the fullest. So something is coming to fruition, something is coming to completion, and now it's time for you to enjoy the success to the fullest. Very good. Second, we have the creator. So on the 2nd of January, you are going to get some kind of strength or courage. So basically, your sacral chakra is going to be quite balanced, quite enhanced, you can say, and you are going to find the strength and the energy to do something, especially in your spiritual energies, that you were not able to do from quite a long time now, but you are not, now you will be able to do that because the creator got your side, because you are going to feel like now you can create it because you get the strength and the courage. It's all about you um, acknowledging your own strength and your own power. Very good. 3rd of January, we have the silence. Now, you have to go inside of you in order to find answers to certain questions that you are trying to get the answers for from outside world. The moment you are going to go inside of you, and focus on your third eye chakra, or even if you can't focus on third eye chakra, sit in silence, try to go deeper in the silence and try to get the answers, and you will get it one day, not immediately but eventually. Do that. Sitting in silence for 10 minutes is highly recommended for actually everybody. Okay. Okay, 4th, we have the playfulness. The more you are going to be in this energy of not taking people, situations, or things too personally, and living in this playful kind of energy of someday you have to die eventually, the more it's going to be easier for you to live life to the fullest and attract happy kind of energies towards yourself. Be like crazy person, enjoy your life to the fullest, and just don't take anything or anyone too seriously, because it's just a play. It's going to end someday. Life. Okay. Now, 5th of January, the rebirth. You're going to feel you are no longer the same kind of person, or you don't think the same as you used to be, or same kind of things or people situation doesn't match with your energies anymore. That is what rebirth means. So instead of getting irritated, instead of feeling like, oh my god, what is happening with me, what is wrong with me, try to play the game with the dancing, singing, or loving your life to the fullest. Tame the lion. Tame the lion, basically try to make the lion understand that it's okay, I'm here with you, and we will be able to get out of this. Okay, cool. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.